Alright, so here is the UBoter E10. It's got really, I love the seafoam color. Make sure that this is on here. This is where you charge it. And we charged it the other day. That's your start button. You have to submerge it first. And it's got little bumpers on here. And basically it runs off of like a vacuum type of deal. But yeah, we're gonna put her in and give her a chance to clean the pool. So let's do it. So here's the pool. And as you can see, it does have some debris in the bottom. You can see it. So I'm gonna bring her over here. We're gonna submerge her here. And then we're just gonna go ahead and get her started. First, we gotta submerge it. All right, you see that? Once it's submerged, you press that button. You can see that light come on? The blue light. Now all I got to do is just drop her down. There she goes. And we're going to give it a chance to clean our pool and see how she does. So this is a brand new robot. It moves a lot faster than the other ones, but you know, that doesn't mean it can't do a good job. We'll see. So take a look at her. She's going around in a circle right now. And you can see it goes backwards too. So it has a program in it, and we charged it, and there she goes. All right, so let's check the time. It's about 10 to 1. We'll come back in an hour or two and see how it did. You can see there's lots of debris there, so it's got its job cut out for it. And yeah, there she goes. Look at her underwater. All right, it's working its way around the pool. So yeah, cross your fingers. When I come back, everything's gonna look fantastic. Well, it's been about, I would say, 35, 40 minutes. And she's doing pretty good. She got that area pretty good and clean. So we'll see how she does over here. We still got to get her over there. She's kind of stuck over here for some reason. But yeah. All right, we'll come back in about 2 hours and see where she's at. All right, looks like she's done. I got to fish her out of the water. But yeah. So anyway, kind of cleaned it. We got some spots that need to be done, but all in all, not bad.